feeling drained, overwhelmed, or bloated, your spleen might need some nurturing. In traditional Chinese medicine, our spleen is related to digestive health and energy production. In this video, I'll guide you through some powerful Qigong movement that will help to take care of your spleen so you can feel lighter and more balanced. Let's get started. Let's begin with some warm-up exercises. So start with your feet about hip-width apart. Gently relax your body by softly bouncing your knees. You can shrug your shoulders, connecting with the energy that comes up from Mother Earth. Spleen is related to the earth element in traditional Chinese medicine, so let's absorb that earth energy that comes up. Shaking out, so feel that nurturing, grounding energy coming up from Mother Earth as you bounce. And we're going to slowly, gently start to twist the torso side to side. The spleen is on the left side of the body, underneath the ribs. It's above our stomach, so on the inside. You can't really touch it. So right there, about the size of a fist. Exhaling out as you swing your arms. It's related to the stomach, but it is actually part of the lymphatic system, so it's really important for our immunity too. We're gonna let the arms just swing up. So gentle side stretch as we expand the ribs, increasing the intercostal spaces. So feel the space increasing or gently massaging, right? Your stomach, spleen on the left, liver, gallbladder on the right. Okay, and then we're gonna dip the knees, swing the arms slightly back. So as you twist your torso, we're gently massaging the abdominal area. So spleen is also has a function to filter the blood, as it's helping us to transform the energy we take from food into qi. Okay? So like this, as you swing the arms, feel your sides, and then just letting your arms come back and gently shaking out. Roll the shoulders up on the inhale. Exhale. Relaxing. And now let's energize the spleen meridians, which begins on the inside of the big toes, like this. So we're going to softly start to tap. So inside of the big toes, inside of the feet, up inside the legs, thighs, and then come up hip crease area, and then a little bit to the side, and then we're going to come up. It goes up to the outside of your collarbones, and it's going to drop down to the side of the ribs. So the last point on the spleen meridian, the 21st point, spleen 21, is you're going to make 4 fingers, go to the armpits area, measure a 4-finger width, and then another 4-finger width. So from here, right there, so side of the ribs, you're going to tap like this. Another easy way, which I like, is to use the forearm, the side of the forearms, and you're just gonna bring your arms back. So if I go to my side like this, you're gonna lightly tap. So it's gonna feel slightly tender. Breathing out, exhale out. Okay, so we're gonna do a couple more rounds. From the first point, spleen 1, tapping on the inside of your legs, come up, inner thighs, up, and then go slightly diagonal out. Rise up to outside of the collarbones, drop down to your spleen 21, the last point over here. So the spleen meridians are active between 9 to 11 in the morning. It is associated with learning and concentration. That is why we are in school at that time. Okay, so do one more time from the inside. So as you activate your spleen energy, it's good for our digestion. It takes the energy that we just ate, right? So think of in the morning, the stomach meridian is active between 7 to 9. Oh, sorry, we're gonna come up here and then drop down. This is 21, okay? So it transforms the energy from food into the qi we can use in the body. Breathe out. Good. You can slowly sleep down. Yeah, just sleep down this way. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and share this video with someone who can also benefit. Now let's practice 2 Qigong movement that's really good for our spleen health. Feet about hip width apart. Soften the knees, bringing your hands to in front of your lower abdomen, holding as if you're holding an energy ball in front of your lower dantian. From here, I'm going to be your mirror image. So as you breathe in, start to separate your left hand, bring that up, press through the heels of your palms, and then your right hand is going to press down, flexing at the wrist for both hands. And as you exhale, slowly coming down, and your right hand press up. So this move is called separating heaven and earth. It comes from the 8 pieces brachis, the third move. It's really good for our spleen health. So on your left side, it benefits stomach and spleen as we expand on that side. As you exhale, coming down. Inhale, reaching your right hand up, pressing the left hand down. So as you practice this move, we are squeezing the left side. So imagine you're squeezing away the negative emotions we hold in the stomach and spleen, which is worries, pensiveness. And as we make room and expanding the positive aspect, which is trust, satisfaction, satiation, presence. Okay, we'll do one more. Breathing in. And breathing out. Okay, one more time. Expanding. And slowly coming back down. Hands in front of your lower dantian. So this is from 8 pieces brachis. And then the next move we're going to practice is from another set, Tai Chi Qigong 18 style, number 11. So this is also really good for our spleen health, digestive health. Okay, when you're ready, we're gonna bring the feet together. So again, I'm gonna be your mirror image, and you're going to take a step. I'm gonna make sure I have enough room to step back. Okay, so take your right leg back about 45 degrees. Sit on the back leg, pivot the front heel, bring your arms up, pull back, chest open. As we fold, hinging at the hip joints, we're going to fold from the top. So your head, your upper back, middle back, and then your left hand is going to go right over the right hand. So we have some space between the hands and then the knee. And inhale, we sit with the back leg, stronger, front foot, heel down, toes up. Exhale. Again, breathing in, this is called reach to the sea, look at the sky. Very subtle movement and sensation. Feel squeezing on the left side. And we're going to transition by coming down. Step the right foot in, arms come down. And then we do the other side. Step the left foot back about 45 degrees. And then sit on that back leg. Heel up, heel down, toes up. Chest open. When you exhale, this time your right hand is going to be on top. Inhale. And exhale. So as you come up, you make the leg stronger. Lower, middle, upper. And as we go down, we roll down. And this move is good for strengthening the legs, the waist. And then it's really good, again, for our digestive system, for our digestive health, and our spleen health. Coming back, and let's take a breath in. And exhale. Let's practice the healing sound for our spleen. So let's first bring our intention to our spleen organ. Let's warm up the hands, rubbing your palms, make lots of warm healing energy. Healing sound Qigong comes from the 6 healing sound Qigong set, and we're going to use the sound, the vibration, the color, and our intention to send healing energy. Take your hands to your left side, right under the ribs. You can bring your hands here. I'm not doing mirror image this time, so I want to send to my spleen too. So as you put your warm healing hands here, visualizing your spleen organ. It's to the left side, under the ribs, above your stomach. As you focus on your spleen, you can visualize your spleen healthy. We're sending warmth over there. So the spleen in traditional Chinese medicine, it's of the earth element. The season is late summer or Indian summer. It can also be the transition between the seasons. So it's not like very distinction. There's always a transition. So we're gonna stay balanced. The color is yellow. The sound is, so it's almost like no sound. It's like a guttural sound, right from the back of your throat. And I'll teach you the emotions as we practice. From here, take a breath into your lower abdomen. We're going to gently soften the knees, curl your fingers under because the spleen is kind of like on the inside. We're not going to be able to touch it, but you're just going to send your intention. Gentle pressing, and I'll give you my side view. So you're going to feel you're sending energy there. We're going to make the sound, the guttural sound of the sound will help us to purge out the negative emotion we hold in the spleen, which is worries, pensiveness, right? Ruminating thoughts. And then as we come up, we're going to bring the healing hands right here again. On the positive side, with the intention of sending healing energy to your spleen, we're going to use a color. So visualize a golden healing color, golden yellow color, reaching inside to your spleen. Bringing in trust, satisfaction, presence, satiation, so that you know you have enough, that we are enough. Okay, take a breath. And let's practice again. So curl your fingers and let's make the sound. Purging away the negative emotion of worries and pensiveness, doubt, ruminating thoughts. And with your hands right on your left side, we're gonna send one more time. So that healing golden yellow color reaching inside to the spleen, bringing in trust, satisfaction, satiation. And again, know that you are enough. You do enough. You know enough. Yeah, so when we know, we trust that we have enough, we can share. You can share good energy, you can share healing energy. Inhale. And last one. Coming back up. Golden healing light right into your spleen. And you can slowly rub and seeping down. These Qigong exercises are an act of self-care. It gives us a moment to breathe, to be present, and to nurture ourselves. In traditional Chinese medicine, the fire element helps to nourish the earth element. So that is your heart. Click or tap the screen for a video on Qigong health to take care of your heart. I will see you there.